An average day or week for our team is generally go out and figure out what area we need to survey. For us, it's most of the time a full reach. A reach is a portion of our project. Once we define those boundaries, then we'll go out and set up our flight plan and our ground control layout. That ground control is really what brings the accuracy that we're looking for, along with some of the hardware and software that we're using. Once we have that laid out and our flight plan set, we are able to generally collect an entire reach within a couple of hours. That drone, specifically this one, will grab anywhere between 2,000 to 3,000 pictures of the site. We then will come back into the office and take those pictures, put them on our computer, and we'll either process them locally on our massive computer, or we'll upload them to a cloud processing software called Propeller. Propeller is handy because we can generally fly all day, come in the evening, upload the pictures, and they process it overnight, and then we come in the morning and have some data to work with to further refine and process through.